difference between the development that we have now, technology development, and old development. Think about horses, or swords. Swords are good, right? So you know swords? Yeah? So swords started off being really big and heavy, and they were sort of badly made, and really bad. And then they got better and better and better and better and better, because people learned how to do it. And then you got the best sword possible, right? There was maybe the Toledo ones and the samurai ones in Japan, right? That was it. And then that was the best ever swords. And the reason that swords stopped getting better was because you don't use a sword to make another sword. But technology is the first thing that we've ever had in human society where you use technology to make better technology. Yeah? Horses started off rubbish, got really good, got much better horse, much better horse, much better horse, really nice horse. Nah, you can't make better horses. But communications technology makes better communications technology. And so what we have now is a situation where, because of feedback and because of communication and because of all of that group forming, the speed that we can get better at everything else gets faster and faster and faster and faster and faster. So, I disagree with the idea that say Britain is better at the internet than Mexico. We may have had 3 years head start, maybe. But like I said, it's only been 5,000 days. So, you've got plenty of time to catch up. And certainly Latin America is doing amazing things that nobody else is doing. We're doing really, you guys are doing cool stuff that nobody else has seen. It's just different. So I wouldn't feel like, bad or anything. But what's happening is that the tools that we're using here, the open source stuff, the communication, the modding, even the gaming, everything that we do here will feed into everything else. We'll make education better, we'll make medicine better, we'll make financial things better, we'll make democracy better, we'll make everything else better. And then when that gets better, then the technology gets better, and it all goes up and up and up and up and up. So what's happened in the past few years is we've stopped making swords, which has a natural limit, and we started making technology which makes better technology itself. All of you guys learnt how to make new stuff on old stuff. Yeah? And that new stuff will help you make even cooler new stuff. And that cool new stuff will make even cooler new stuff. And Campus Party 2015, when we're all back here again, all older and bigger moustaches and everything, we will have amazingly cool stuff. Because of the things that you're making today. So I think that's the difference now, is that previously you couldn't get better because there was nowhere to go. Whereas now you have technologies which the natural effect of that technology is to get better and better and better.
Okay, so this is going to be the last question, and maybe you can...
Oh, it's on the phone?
Yes, I've got Paco on the phone.
Oh, hello Paco.
He's watching you via Campus TV.
Hi Paco on Campus TV.
And he's got a question for you.
Okay.
Do you know Paco?
This is technology working.
It's a very technical question.
Mm-hmm.
And are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right. Who do you think is going to win the game this evening? Mexico or
Mexico
Spain?
game.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm in a room with 6,000 Mexicans. Yeah?
And one Spanish on the phone.
And Spaniard on the phone, and you're Spanish as well, aren't I? Okay. I think the winner of the game will be the octopus.
Okay.
Mexico 2-0.
Okay, so the last question here, and maybe a
Okay.
really quick answer, please.
So what? Oh.
I try to find a good example of a geek president.
A geek president?
I didn't find it. Would you think politics is a field geeks should be breaking right now?
Yeah. Yes.
Or
What is more
that-
geeky?
or they should-
Can you think of anything more geeky than running a country? It's like playing World of Warcraft, only really big. Oh yeah! The only problem, right, if you think about it, the only problem politics has is the user interface is shit. Right? But if you made a better user interface for politics, we'd be amazing at it. It needs to be mouse and keyboard, right? I mean, seriously, yes, I think we should. I think everybody here should be in politics. Because, like I said before, it's only people like the Camposeros, like us, that understand how the world is changing. Because we're making it change. It's all our fault. Sorry. We broke it. So we have to go into politics, and quite seriously, most politics is kind of geeky. It's numbers and moving things. It's playing Civ 4.
Es economía, no política.
World of Warcraft or something like that. It's just a really big MMO with a bad interface and a very laggy connection. The graphics are awesome, but the rest of it is suck. But we can fix the user interface. We're good at user interfaces.
Yeah.
Don't use Flash, but you know. So I can't use the country. It's but we can do it. The first person to be president of Mexico through an iPhone app, I'll shake them by the hand. Geekiness is the only thing that's going to save us now. We tried everything else, right? We tried everything else. Religion didn't work out very well. That was kind of sucky, right? Left-wing, right-wing politics, that wasn't very good. Nowhere in the planet did that work out well. The problems we face now are scientific, geeky problems. They're economics, they're ecology, there's social engineering, science. It's all science. And it's science on top of a world that we have changed in the past 5,000 days. So for the next 5,000 days, and for the 5,000 days after that, the only people who can do something with that world are the people who understand it. And the only people who understand it are you guys. So should you go into politics? Should you try and change your country? Should you try and change the world? Yes, because you are the only people who can. You have to start now. Thank you very much.